All right, we're going to review lessons 1 through 8. We did some in class. Everybody was there, so I'm just going to keep going. Remember, I'd really like it if you would try it by yourself. If you get stuck, play the video and then pause it when you're ready to try and keep going on your own, okay? That's the only way that you're going to get to the point where you can do it on your own. All right, let's take a look. So remember, we are making equivalent fractions here. Now, if the number here is larger than the number over here, then I'm going to divide rather than multiply. Okay, I'm going to divide. And 9 divided by what is 3? Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. If you need it to be bigger because of the camera, I can write it out. Like that. That's a little bit neater. All right. We did number 4 together in class. Let's do number 5. We're going larger, so we're going to be multiplying. So 7 times what is 56? Figure it out. You can skip count, whatever it takes. You can skip count. Let's skip count. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Y'all are stretching me here. 49, 56. So I have 8 fingers up, so that's going to be 8 over 8. And 6 times 8 is 48. Okay. And then finally, I asked you to challenge yourself over here because you're going in the other direction. You've got to think backwards. I need this number over here. So I'm going to look at this number is going to get smaller. So we're going to divide. So I'm going to write it down here. And if you needed to, you could switch it around and go the other way. But I'm going to keep it like this. Well, let's switch it around and go the other way. That's fine. So I'm going to divide by what? 8 divided by what equals 4? Or you could say 4 times what equals 8? And that's 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 22 divided by 2. Does anybody know that answer? I'll give you just a second. If you need to, pause because I'm about to tell you the answer. It's 11. Okay? So 8 22seconds is equal to 4/11. All right, and in this video, I'm going to do the next section as well. And then you guys take a break, and I'll do that. And then take yourself a little break and come back and we'll do the next video, okay? So on this one, this is lesson 3. I can add fractions with unlike units using the strategy of creating equivalent fractions. And here's our steps, okay? When I add and subtract fractions, I must stack. You guys are getting so good at this. I'm setting my table, getting it all ready to go. What do I need to do to find my denominator? I need to find my LCM of the denominators. So LCM, and let's, I've got to go a little bit below because I'm a little bit out of room here. Let's skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12. Did I miss one? 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And then there's 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Okay, I don't have any that match yet, so I'm going to go with the smaller of the two denominators and keep going. 15, 18, 21. There we go. There's our match. 21. Okay, 3 times 7 is 21, and 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21, and 1 times 3 is 3. Add it up. 7 plus 3 is 10 over 21. And 10, if I was to do 10 and 21 are not prime numbers. So if I was going to simplify further or see if I need to, I would need to do the greatest common factor. We didn't review that in class, but you'll remember it because it's these T-charts. And 10 is 1 and 10, 2 times 5, and that's it. And 21 is 1 and 21, 3 times 7, and that's it. And they don't share anything but 1, and I don't need to do anything if that's the case. So it's already simplified. Okay? And let's do number 6, and then you guys will take a little break. So 2/3 plus 2/7, set your table. Okay, equals. Is this the same problem? No, but I bet you I already know what the common denominator is because we just did it. Do the LCM. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And let's just keep going because we're going to have to. 18, 21. Is this starting to sound familiar? It is because we just did it. All right, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. 21 is our common denominator. All right, 7 times 3 is 21, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 7 is 21, 2 times 7 is 14. Now we're going to add 14 plus 6, so 4 and 6 is 10, carry the 1, and 1 and 1 is 2. So it's 20, 21. And if you were to check by doing the GCF, you would have 20 and 21, 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 3 no, 4 and 5, and that's it. 1 and 21, 2 no, 3 and 7, and that's it. And the only thing they share is 1, so it is simplified. All right, like I said, let me just check the back here. Go ahead and take a break, and when we come back, we will finish up the back side of the handout on lesson 4.